This is the latest I got in dancehall and social media news so far. Shauna Controlla and Italian breaks up. She throws Italian out her house, and he gets on live and tells all. She also sent men to beat him up, allegedly. Who remembers when it was said allegedly that she pow-powed Ivany right? And Ivany had gone to Megamart, Portmore. At the time, it was said that Ivany had hacked her page and taken her Digicel phone number. At the time, that was a couple of years back when Ivany lived in Jamaica before she migrated to the United States. Here's Italian explaining everything while he was on live collecting his stuff.
And she wicked, you know?
Shauna.
She tell people that I bring man up here for you, you know?
Shauna.
And that's why I see me there on my live, you know? That's why I see me there on my live. Because she will tell people, she will video and tell people say me bring man up here for you, bro.
I don't want peace. I want problems, always.
So that's what she like, bro. That's why I see me there on my live, dog. Because she a liar, bro. Live as proof. Yeah, that's how I see me there on my live, bro.
Shauna. Seriously, yeah, putting them in so.
In there, so, bro. She have the key for the whole house. Me not have no key. Me not have no key, bad man. I just a fingerprint alone, me have right there, so.
See, I don't want to lock the things in
I want to put my thing them in that room and lock it, bro. Because I now left my thing them so. Bro, I swear, bro. I now left my thing them so that. When I left my thing them so, she got to do something to my thing them that. Because she want to get in trouble. That girl want to get in trouble, that. Bad, bro. I tell you that. She want me to get in trouble, that. But that's she want, bro. When you see I witness when I come, that means that she lock up in this one. If she lock up in this one, I must walk, she walk, because she not have no car. Eh? Should you walk, go down. Bad man, should you walk, go down the. Bro, should you walk, go down the hill and videos. Someone don't know what kind of.
I don't want peace. I want problems, always.
Man, I laugh that. Should we walk, go down the hill and video herself and say me put her out to bad man. And should we video and say me bring man for her, bro. I swear to God, bad man. Real talk, Jardy. I don't know joke thing that. Ever see me in a situation here, bad man? A big summer. I want me and Papi attack, you know. Would have 2, 3, 4, 1 fly down, bad man.
According to Shauna, Chin Italian was with a one-legged chick, who he got $5,000 US from in the early part of their relationship, and he did her wrong. It's funny how when people start a relationship, they don't want to talk about things until the relationship goes sour. Shouldn't that been a warning sign to you? As they say, the way you get them is the way you lose them.
People, when young people good, bro, you're not going to hear people that come on the internet that come talk about prank and them things there, bro. I want to follow, bro, people go and make up lie stories, bro. You see me I say, bro?
True, you're a woman too. You woman never go and say man they're wrong, bro. Sometimes
yeah, bro.
Your woman
bro.
more wild than
I'm telling her, bro, what she use and I try to trick the woman them. She use emotional things, bro. No, and I try to trick people, bro. Bro, the girl makes man beat up a dog. What the f over there so support that, bro? I'm taking charge.
You're not the first somebody she said man panning on, that's her habit. You're not the first somebody she always do them because dirty wicked style, but you're mega telling stuff for don't.
Me come down, cause me can't take it in war, yeah, me can't.
Yeah, come down.
Yeah. Come down. I'm gonna tell you for do is pray Italian. You see the fact that she come for your mother, I just tell her for just prayer, cause nothing no beat prayer. You have to understand say she tormented and she miserable and she sad. You have to learn her life so some people just sad and miserable and want company.
And if you know it's out, girl,
you understand where I come from? You're a young youth, you not remember such a big old tough girl.
I don't want peace. I want problems, always.
For you, you know, at the end of the day, you know, So at the end of the day, if you don't want somebody, it don't mean say you have to come act up as a female and act like a bitch and do the most. If you and him did there, I don't know cuss, I don't know get along and it not work out. It just not work out. But you
Bro, if you're not man in a relationship, bro, and you're not man in a problem, bro, you go call man fi beat up a man you.
None of that me I try to tell you.
Bro.
Listen to me, that's why she didn't look in her life and wonder what you say she love company, internet and ball, because nothing not reach her good in her life. Nothing good in her life no reach. She come America and them take her blood clot passport and everything get fucked for her and she get deported. So at the end of the day, nothing is working out for she. You need to go look on your blood clot life, Shauna. You're very sad because you're there your life and I watch the boy life on the next phone. You're sad. Because
bad man, let me tell you why the girl name want the man cut, you know. The girl name want the man cut. Because at first, Italian door did open. You see it and fear them did lock. When Italian go back up our house, Italian room door lock with him things them and him close them. You see, so he girl lock up the man things in the room, bro.
Yeah.
I don't want peace. I want problems always.
And then there's something that where she do usually a man do them something that hold on pan woman clothes and lock up the man things. And she can't reach nowhere in blood clot life. And me I tell you say God not sleep Italian. No matter how you, none of we not perfect, but none of we not perfect. All of we have will fuck up ways. But if you send man come beat you and for try harm your life, I know I come send for your mother and dep on her blood clot life, I come talk about our lie you tell and you make up one bag. Shauna go.
Wow, that was a lot to take in. Very toxic. Anyways, moving forward. In light of Hurricane Beryl, a lot of persons in rural areas have been affected, which include St. Elizabeth, Clarendon, and even St. Thomas. 2 persons have lost their lives so far because of the hurricane, and it's said to say it could have been avoided. 26-year-old Alrick Moncrieff got taken away and by waters in the Trenchtown Gully during the onslaught of Hurricane Beryl. It was said that Alrick and some friends were playing football while the hurricane was pounding Jamaica, and the ball went in the gully, and he went in after the ball. This is such an unfortunate but sad incident. Condolences to the grieving family because they still can't find him. Some Jamaicans still have not gotten electricity back because of the hurricane and are venting on TikTok.
Boy, if you don't get
JPS, I finger down today. Put a finger down. If your birthday is on Monday, you can't set no lash appointment, you can't set no nails appointment, and you can't set no hair appointment because the facilities them where you normally use them operate 100% off JPS. What can go so?
JPS Digital and Flow. Now come here. I'm gonna start with JPS. What is going on? The entire parish of Manchester is without electricity. I drove through Mandeville and a couple communities yesterday and I saw not one JPS truck. I saw residents clearing the roads. I drove past the hospital yesterday and there was no light. Probably just emergency light, but there was no light at the hospital. You have people there that are using equipment that need electricity. Y'all posting on your Twitter saying, oh, you're working diligently. Where? According to CBM, has restored power to 80,000 customers in Jamaica. I don't think of this Jamaica. I don't think of the Caribbean Jamaica. Because Mandeville is still without power. Manchester, St. Elizabeth. If you guys have electricity from JPS and not a generator, please comment. Because I want to know if my parish alone solved. Anyways, Digicel. Every second year service drop. Like, I don't understand. I'm gonna need you guys to start putting up back on the towers. It's been 2 days after the hurricane. On the need for make haste. Make haste. Same with Flow. Like, on the need for make haste. My sister is trying to get through to her son because she's abroad and her family in South Manchester and radio silence. Make haste. For some multi-billion-dollar companies, you guys are really dropping the ball. Billion-dollar companies. Beryl really showing up.
JPS, I want to know what do we do our Elsha while we can't get the light all now? We want we light our Elsha JPS. We want justice JPS. We want light down here. And what do we do our Elsha down here? Why do you know? I don't want peace. I want problems always. meat that think now, my meat and my fish think rotten. I want like JPS. I want me like JPS. What do we in our Asia? Underneath, come here. No, JPS. No. Where's the miss? No, why like JPS? Justice war!
Here's an electronic technician from JPS explaining what is causing the hold of why everyone's electricity is not restored.
You are the real deal. We have generations 138 kV, 69 kV, 24 kV. You see, if the generation no good, 138 kV now will get it. The 138.
I think what he is trying to say is that the electricity has to be of a certain voltage in order for them to completely restore power to everyone. Just have a little more patience with them because you have to understand the magnitude of damage that occurred to light wires during Beryl. Those winds weren't normal. If the gust of wind was uprooting trees, then you can imagine how much damage was made. Look what Beryl did to Holland bamboo. This is the before and after shot of Holland bamboo. Really devastating. Anyways, it could have been worse. That's just nature. And in other news, Amari hypes on Queenie with her new man Lion. Amari showing off her new man and doing a skin tightening ad at the same time. If you can't beat them, join them.
Queenie, you ain't got a lion like me. Queenie, you ain't got a lion like me. You got a chihuahua. Woo!
One lion, I'm the lion.
Oh my God! Yo! My man lift me up, bitch!